Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can press power button to end calls in realme devices, how you can just do this settings and enable the settings. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. So let's start. First go to settings in your realme device, then you have to just swipe down. You can see there is additional settings. Click on it and you can see friends, there is a accessibility option. Just click on it and you can see there is a option in general, press power button to end call. You can just enable it, and when there is an incoming call is coming, you have if you have to just cut it, then just press the power button and it ends the call. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.